Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional MacDoc style navbar in Framer without writing any code. I'll also be sharing the remix link in the description so you can try it out yourself. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. To begin, we will create a page using Framer's wireframer. Building a page entirely from scratch would take much longer. So instead, go to this insert, wireframer, and enter a prompt such as a modern one-page creative agency landing page with a dark background, sections included home, about, services, products, portfolio, blog, careers, pricing, contact, and FAQ. After you submit the prompt, give the wireframer a minute to generate the layout for you. Our landing page is ready. Your layout and design might look slightly different from mine, but that's totally fine. Now let's go ahead and create our menu. Since we will create menu from scratch, so we don't need this menu here. Let's remove this menu. Navigation. Press F on our keyboard to add a frame and draw a frame like this. Drop it to the desktop. Here we will set the width and height later. Right click on it. Create component, name it navbar. Click this desktop, make it stack, scroll down, fill, set the color white and reduce the opacity to 5%. Also add some radius 20 and border white, set the opacity 30%. Click here, remove the right and left border to 0. Perfect. Now let's add our icons. You can either use Framer plugins to bring in icons directly. Click here, plugins, browse all. You will see many plugins, or download them from another website. I have downloaded mine from an external site, so let me go ahead and upload them. Let's quickly rename this home. Now select all the icons, drop it to the desktop, and now let's add the menu name. For this, press T on your keyboard to add text and name it home. Select it, set the weight light, color white, reduce the font size to 12, drop it here. Now press Ctrl+D to duplicate it, update the content here. Select these two, icon and text, and wrap them into a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter. Name it icon and text. Set the direction vertical, change the width to fixed and set a fixed height of 45 pixels. Repeat this process for each of the icons. Click this about, place it here, then select both, add a stack. Name it icon and text. Set the direction vertical with fixed 45 pixels. Drop it here. Now let's add some gap between them. So select all, wrap it into another stack. Name it menu. Set gap 20. Now it looks good. Since all the layer names are same, I think this will be the last time I add a stack and rename it for easier identification. Change the width to fit. Wrapping them in a stack also gives us more control over how we manage them. As you can see, we have total of 10 icons. So we need to create 10 additional variants, one for each icon. So zoom out a bit like this. Click this desktop. This is our default variant. And click here to add one more variant. On our project, when you hover over an icon, the animation plays and you will notice that the icons to the left and right also grow slightly. So we need to make the icon slightly larger around them. So let's go to the variant 4, and these two are for tablet and phones, and the first one represents our default state. I mean this state. This is the state you will see when no icon is being hovered over. So go to the variant 4, zoom in a bit and go to the variant 4, menu, home, click this icon, lock it, set the height 45 pixel or 44 I guess. Also the icon appears slightly on top. Let me show you. As you can see, to achieve this we need to move it upward by setting its position to absolute. Click this icon and text, change the position to absolute, move this layer slightly on top, I guess 50 minus 50, then click this home to see the overflow is visible. Menu, it's also visible. Variant 4, the overflow is clip, make it visible. Finally click this home, set the width 45 pixel, click this home, this icon, again lock it, increase the height to I guess 35 or 36, let's make it 34, then go to the variant 5, lock it, increase the height to 44 maybe, yes, click this icon and text, position absolute, set the top position minus 45, click this about, width fixed 45, then click this variant 5, overflow visible, click this home, lock it, increase the height to 35 or 34, again do the same for this, lock it and increase it to 34. Now go to the variant 6, lock it, 44, icon and text, position absolute, set the top minus 45, click this services, set the width fixed 45 pixel. Now click this variant 6, scroll down, overflow visible. Repeat this step for each of the variant. I'm speeding this up. Now it's time to add interactions. So go to the desktop, the default variant, connect the default variant to variant 4, this variant to this variant. This way whenever someone hovers their mouse over the icon, this icon, they will see the variant 4 animation. So to do this, click this home, then we can click here and connect to variant 4 like this, interaction, mouse enter. Now let's give it a preview to see if it's working or not. It's working. The icon isn't returning to its table size yet because we still need to set a mouse leave interaction. Double click on here, go to the variant 4, click this variant, this text, then click here, interaction, mouse leave. Now let's see. Yes, now it's working. Let's also fix the navbar to the bottom. Set the position, fixed, width, fit content, height, fit content, pin it to the bottom, and let's add the value, I guess 50. Now let's see. Let's add a blur to the background to make it cleaner. Right now the background text is visible, which isn't great for readability. Click here, double click on it, desktop, styles, filters, background blur, and the blur value is 5. I think it's okay. Now let's see. Yes, it looks better now. Now go to the second icon, this icon, about, click here, zoom out a bit and drop it to the variant 5. Interaction, mouse enter, also click this variant 5. Interaction, mouse leave. Another way we can do is click this service, interactions, new transition, click, on click, choose mouse enter, set the variant 6. Repeat this process for each corresponding item. We have added the mouse enter interaction. Now let's add the mouse leave interaction for rest of the variant. Click this variant 6, interactions, new transition, on mouse leave, set variant desktop. We can reset this. Now go to the variant 7, interaction, new transition, mouse leave, set variant desktop, again reset it. Now let's give it a preview to see is everything is okay or not. Yes, perfect. As you can see, we successfully created our navbar. Next, let's make the design responsive by adjusting the tablet and mobile variants. As you can see, it's not responsive at all. So what we can do is double click on here. This is our tablet variant. Increase the width little bit here. Click here, set the width 850, height 95, menu which is fill. Now go to the tablet variant, this variant, reduce the width to 690. Since tablets and mobiles are touch based, keeping these hover effects will create a poor user experience, so we can remove it. But first let's collapse it, then expand this and remove the interaction here. Now go to the home, go to this tablet variant, scroll down, and the variant is already tablet, so we don't need to fix anything. Let's see, this is the desktop and this is the tablet variant. Now let's fix the mobile version. Set the width 350, expand it and remove all the interaction here. Since the width is only 350 pixel, let's hide a few icons, like keeping only 4 visible, the first 4, home, about, service and products. Click this portfolio, scroll down, visible, no, blog, scroll down, visible, no, or you can simply click here and press delete key on your keyboard. Now let's see the mobile version. I tweaked the width and set it to 280, but in our project file, as you can see, I made the position to relative 100%. Let me show you. Here, I made it 100% relative, which makes the UI look like this. You can go with either option, whichever you prefer. The last thing we need to do is set up smooth scrolling to sections. Let me show you. When you click a menu item, it will scroll directly to that section. To do this, double click on it and go to the variant 4, this variant, home, link, create variable, again click on it, name it, I guess home, then scroll smooth. Now go to the variant 5, this about, link, create variable, scroll smooth, Now go to the home, click this stack, this is the hero section, double click on it, name it hero, scroll down, scroll section, again name it home, or I guess hero. Let's name it home for now. And this tag, select it, name it about, scroll section, name it about, then click this navbar, home, name it home, and about. Make sure to add hash before writing the name. Now let's preview it to see if it's working or not. Click this about, yes, it's working, home. Now repeat this process for the rest of the menu. But one more thing, make sure to rename your layers, like this is services. This keeps your project organized and make it much easier to navigate. This, I guess, products. Now go to the services, scroll section, name it services. Double click on it, click this services, link to, create variable, name it services. Now add services. Alright, let's check out how our project looks in preview. Yes, the hover is working. Click this about to redirect to about section, services, products, portfolio, blog, careers, pricing, contact, FAQ, and lastly this footer. But there's a small issue here. As you can see, when we reach the footer, our navbar stops working properly. But on here, it's working. So to fix this, click this navbar and increase the zero index to 10. Now let's see. Yes, now it's working. And that's how you can create a MacDoc style navbar using Framer. If you have watched the video this far, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. That's all from me, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.